Hi guys. Well, we're back at the sawmill. I have spent all day long doing leaves. I've been on the roof of the building down there, which you'll have seen that by the time you see this, but you'll understand why I'm wore out now, because I did that building down there. I did the boiler roof. I was up on the house and did the roof of the house. Not the top roof. I don't go up there. That's a little bit high for this old geezer. And then I had to blow the leaves out again back here. Then I vacuumed up another load. I'm up to 11 loads now. And it takes quite a while. It's like mowing your grass every day. And like I said, you'd wait till... I'd like to be able to wait to the end mow over it too. But they get so high that the mower just pushes them. So you can't... It's best when they're, you know, only 6 inches deep instead of about 7 or 8 inches deep or whatever. These back here, I mean, this is what it gets. I haven't done anything to those back there. Well, I guess you really can't see it with this. But anyhow, so I'm already wore out. So you'll be seeing this after you already saw that. I don't know what you saw. Anyhow, my project today is I'm going to bring the carriage on back and load that up. This piece here is, I figured out what I want to do with it, I think. This is 8 inches wide by 16 inches. So that's a nice chunk of wood. Got a bad spot in there, but I'm gonna cut it down a couple layers here, till I get to the center, and then just wing on through it. Now, the title of this one's going to be "I Found an Ear at the Sawmill." If you're regular here, you know where this ear came from. If you're not regular here, you're going to have to go back and find out why I found this ear and what this ear came from. It was a strange piece. So the title of this video is going to be "I Found an Ear at the Sawmill." And I know a bunch of you are just smiling at this nut for cutting that thing. Anyhow, I'm going to have to start it up and get the carriage back. So you're going to have to put your ears on. And we're going to get started here. I think everything's already warmed up, so warmed up, oiled, all that kind of nonsense. Spot is. Guess that's about as good as any. Bad. Old geezer can move some big wood, huh? Anyhow, I'm going to take one off the bottom and one flip it and one off the top, I hope. See what it looks like. I hope you like it here. Maybe it's better over here, I don't know. You can see me with on the stick though. Holy cow! Whoops, left it in gear. Not supposed to do that. That's not a good plan. Anyway, oh, there's some good boards, but I got to sticker them to get them out of the way. I only got a couple more over there to trim. I probably won't bring you along for that. That's kind of course, you can't get much boring than stickering wood either, can you? If you wonder why I cut these off, these go over into my cut it up for kindling pile over here. And I'll cut those up into 18-inch pieces. Did that camera just go down to the ground? Nah, it's kind of there. It's acting weird. Anyhow, that's what these are here. And it makes great kindling. Great kindling. In fact, you could probably... I could probably bundle it and sell it as bundle wood, but I'm not. So we'll put some of these boards on the old kindling pile, or on the kindling pile. These are, those down there are 8 inches, these are 10 inches. Nice looking wood. It's always a little crappy, but I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with it. Take this one off. I had to cut that one. You can see how thin that mill can cut. If you wanted to cut veneer, I think you could probably cut veneer with that thing. It seems to be cutting pretty good for an old wore out mill. Both of us are all wore out. And I got to put two 8 inches in there. It'll fit those 8-inch ones in there. These aren't as this one here's got a knot in it. Don't know how much wood is here. Not enough. On the building next to the boiler, I'm gonna tear all that wood off and put new wood on there, I think, this year. So, trying to get you guys a video and cut some wood at the same time. Now, sticker time. I'll bring you over here. I got the stickers in this thing way too close, but it's just the way it was. You never have enough stickers. These here stickers are all different sizes. Oh, that one went goofy, didn't it? Nah, not too bad. I like the stickers longer than 4 foot. Because then you can do that to them. And that brings it a little bit closer. I guess I'm out beyond there. Let me see what I can do in the way of stickers here. I don't know if you guys are seeing this or not. Yeah, I got too many stickers in here. I guess you really don't ever have too many stickers. I don't know. I guess you're seeing this. Yeah, kinda. It ain't exactly the most exciting thing in the world. Two more would be nice, about the same size. That one's about the same size. This one's not too bad. Let's see, right there. Oh, I guess it needs 3 more. I got one there too. Like I said, I got too many stickers in this, but it's just something that happened. Just something that happened. They look like they're about every foot. All right, I'll put you over here and you just watch the old geezer work. Hope the sun ain't getting you too bad. It's getting there. You can see me like maybe if I put it over here. This is kind of, yeah, that might be a little bit better. See what 1, 2, 3/8. 1, 2, 3. Now I ain't gonna be able to fit them all on. I got 3 more coming too. So you gotta keep that in mind. Actually, I should have put a 8 here instead of this 10. Reason being, then the air can come up through and act like a chimney. But I don't really care. They'll dry out anyway. That's not too bad looking board. Oh. I forget how long these are. I think they might be 10/6. I'm not sure. Yeah, they're just about the right length to me. I'll tell you what, the 8s to 10s picked up a lot of weight. Woo! 1, 2. Looks like I can fit an 8 now. 10 in there. Then it's time to re-sticker again. Yeah, I can get one in there. Oh my goodness. That one's too. I should be more careful with this, but in the long run, it don't make a daggone bit of difference. Now, I gotta find how many stickers are in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't think I'll find 9 stickers the same here. Anyhow, you see me sticker. We're gonna call this a wrap. Like I said in an earlier video, I'm going to probably be putting some 5-minute videos on just to get rid of a bunch of stuff. Some of it goes way back to the steam show up at Carroll County. But I'm trying to clear out the computer of all the old stuff. I did get that bolt out that I showed you in a video I think I showed this morning. This is why I can't. That's not acceptable. That's a it's working, but and I might use that on that new mill just to get things going. If the nut doesn't look like about the right size, those are the ones that go on in the saddle to hold the mandolin. Anyhow, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to see more craziness, stop on in. Crazy is here. We'll see you now. Bye-bye. Oh, and did you make it to the end? Did you figure out where that ear came from if you're a new person? We'll see you later. Bye-bye.